It's JD here, making a video of my, forgot, Sharpfire. So, what is it? Oh yeah, subscribe, thumbs up, no thumbs down, make sure there's no thumbs down, and one more thing, comments below. The house frozen? I bet so. So, the Sharpfire is a pretty long gun, but not really far distance. And really, it's not far distance, not a strong gun. That's why it has no far distance. So, it's a very different gun. It has a different barrel. So, the barrel is very different, and the stock is different, but the gun is not. So, the gun has a little aiming thing. I'm a right-handed, you know that, right? And I go like that. But if you're left-handed, put this in your armpit, your little, I don't want to say this, but it's gross. It's gross, I don't want to say this, but in your armpit, and then you pull back, you see that little hole? You put your bullet there, close it, then shoot. I'm practicing on my left-handed, I think. I'm going to start practicing on my left-handed so I can shoot in both hands. So, it's really hard to take off the barrel, but not the stock. So let's start with the stock. As you can see, I'm going to put my gun right here. For you guys to see. So we are going to start with the stock. So the stock has 1, 2 holders right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 holders. There's some right here, and then there's a belt clip. You know what's this thing for? It's for like the barrel when you can put your barrel through here. This is where you put the little thing. The barrel, pretend this was the, wait, let's see. I'll show you how hard it is. Ah! Yeah, it's hard. I won't do it yet. But you put the gun without the barrel right here. So you can snipe. Looks like you can snipe. So you can snipe. And one more thing. Put this on your belt. There's 7 ways. I have about 8 ways. I found one way out, which they didn't show on the box, but it had a box. I already opened it. It's already, like, kind of old. And that's the stock. Let's get to the gun. Let's get to the I'm going to take out the barrel. Barrel's bad. Ow! Daddy, can you help me? This is hard. Take out the barrel. So, let's get to the gun. Gun! The white thing right here. That's where you put the bullet. This part is where you put this. Like it holds these like that. And then a handgun right now, when you put the stock and the barrel on, what is the barrel on? The barrel on, it's a, what is it called again? Shotgun. Yeah. The handgun right now, this is like a little, like when you go like that thing, like the Raider, then there's like a little thing, white, gray, the other gray, and then the orange. And there's this button. And when you put this on, you see this hole? Put this part through. See? Like front to back, the front of this and the back of this push together and can't come off. See? Press this button. Press it. Pull it down. Oh, I feel like this. Pull it sideways. Comes apart. And then let's get to the barrel. The barrel is like fully nothing, but the barrel has this scope. You know, this for the belt, like the belt. It's like the little strap, so you can hold it. And then these two holes, these two buttons, put them together. Make sure it's not like this, because it won't go on. The barrel is pretty useless, you know why? Because once you shoot, it's gonna bounce through here. It's gonna bounce because there's extra space. But if you close it tightly, it won't bounce and go straight. But it would bounce. Look, can you see it? Can you see my hand moving? Yeah. So, yeah. And then this is the whole gun. So, like this, right? Once you hear the click, like the less noisy click, that means it's on. Don't fall off. They'll put this, it's like a little spring action, I think. No, there's no spring action. When you hear that click, it means it's on. And it turns into a shotgun. Look how big it is. It can't even fit on the screen. I have to go like this. It won't even fit on the screen like this because it's like tall. Can you see my hand? What if I push it down? Can you see it? Yeah, okay. Oh, color is good. Trigger is cool. It's kind of hard to push. So, that's all about the Sharpfire. Even though I'm close, the barrel won't fit. If I'm this close, the barrel won't fit still. If I'm this close, this far, the barrel will barely fit. You can't even see the barrel. It's like combined together, right? So, oh, there you go. This is the barrel. I'll tell you the little things. So this is the barrel. The barrel, the gun, stop. Say it again. Barrel, gun, stop. Barrel, gun, stop. Barrel, gun, stop. So that's the Sharpfire, and it's like a little spinning, like a little fence. See? So that's all I have to say of the Sharpfire. I'm signing off. Wait, I'm not signing off. But I'm making my new video, and I'm just saying goodbye, and make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, no thumbs down, and make sure you put some comments in my video. And one more thing to say. Sharpfire is not that strong like the other guy. So, yeah. Goodbye.